Hello students, welcome to Grammar Study. I have sent you some videos based on subject and predicate and clauses and their types. I hope you have understood those basics very well. Now in this video you will learn the classification of sentences based on structure and clauses. Sentences can be classified into three types based on their structure. They are simple sentences, compound sentences, and complex sentences. The first one is simple sentences. A simple sentence is one that has only one subject and one predicate, and by itself the meaning of the sentence is complete and no addition is required. A simple sentence, therefore, consists of a single clause that makes complete sense by itself. We know that such a clause is called an independent clause. I have told you in the previous video that all the independent clauses are the simple sentences. For example, Tripti plays the piano well. Tripti is the subject and plays the piano well is the predicate. Likewise, you can see all the other examples. All these examples have only one subject and one predicate. So they are independent clauses and also the simple sentences. Let's know what is a compound sentence. A compound sentence is one which consists of two or more simple sentences joined by conjunctions. There are two kinds of conjunctions that join simple sentences to make compound sentences. Coordinating conjunctions, for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, etc. An easy way to remember these conjunctions is to remember the word fan boys. Some correlative conjunctions, either or, neither nor, hardly, when, etc. Have a look at these examples. Meena is very poor. Meena leads a contented life. These are two simple sentences. Meena is very poor, but she leads a contented life. I have combined these two simple sentences by using a coordinating conjunction but. Thus it becomes a compound sentence. See the next one. God made the country, man made the town. God made the country and man made the town is a compound sentence. What is a complex sentence? A complex sentence is one which consists of one main clause and one or more subordinating clauses. Remember, subordinating clauses, or we call it dependent clauses. They depend for their full meaning on the main clauses. Have a look at some examples. We went home when the sun set. We went home is a simple sentence, an independent clause, and when the sun set, what? So it is a dependent clause. as it doesn't give complete idea. We went home when the sun set. Now it is a complex sentence. See the next one. This is the house we grew up in. This is the house that we grew up in is a complex sentence, as I have combined one independent clause and one dependent clause. Students, in the previous video I have given some of the subordinating conjunctions that are used to form a complex sentence. Please revise it time to time and practice what you learn. Remember, to form a compound sentence, we use coordinating conjunctions, and to form a complex sentence, we use subordinating conjunctions. So, it is very important that you learn the conjunctions first.